Alright, I've got my steam engine here up and going. I just installed the alternator I made from I took it out of a dishwasher and I turned it into an alternator generator. Just moved some wires around in it and got it hooked all up and geared up. It actually looks a little loose. Hopefully it's not. But anyways, I have to tighten that crap. But anyways, let's see what this thing can do. Let's see if that thing is loose down there. It's not bad. Hooked up a light to it. See if I can get this thing to run some power. And I've got the compressor filled, and this is the first test run. Let's fire this thing up and see what happens. I got it at about 25 psi start. Let's see what it does. See if we can generate some power off this bad boy here. Put this thing in starting position. Alright. Needs a little more juice. Let's crank it up. See if we have any power. And I flick the switch. Oh, it slowed it down big time. No power. Push faster. Uh-oh. Front engine. Bearing's still on. Oh man, it's falling apart. We're gonna have to do it. Shit. Everything fell apart. Now I gotta go fix it. Yeehaw. Well, I guess I gotta generate some more watts. Nothing's working. Back to the drawing board. Peace.